Hello there guys, I've got in this Mate bike today. It's I think the 750 watt model, double suspension. We've got a hall sensor error 24H. So basically when you hit the throttle, nothing happens, it's unhappy. You can move the wheel back and forth and you can make it do a bit of a jerk, but basically it's got a hall sensor error. Long story short, you want to check the motor plug, which lives down here. Make sure that's plugged in all the way, all that kind of thing. Make sure that the cable's intact all the way through. If there's any nicks, damage, something like that in this loom where it bends all back and forth, up in there, that kind of thing. This one, unfortunately, there you go, has a bit of damage there. That may well be to do with our problem. So let's get it off the bike and have a look. Okay, wheels off the bike. Let's have a little look into this cable and see if we can see what's going on. If it's just cable damage or what. Blue's intact, green's intact, yellow hall's intact. Oh look, the yellow hall sensor cable here is snapped. That'll do it. There's one end of it and there's the other end of it. They're all these cables are a bit damaged. I'm probably going to end up replacing the cable for the customer there. Might be a bit hard for you to see. Let me zoom in. Look at that fine camera work there. Wow. See, there's one half of the yellow cable just there. If it would focus. And there's the other one there. There's broken insulation on every single one though, so we might just replace it. Probably going to be the answer to that. This should be the same as my Bafang sort of 750 watt hub motor cable videos. No. About there then. So to get into this motor, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Allen head bolts. They are, what size is that then? 3mm Allen. Go in there like that. I'll give them just a little tap and make sure they're seated properly, because if you strip these out it's really annoying. Then they come out and they look a little bit like that. And get stuck. Got a little tray going with all the bits from this wheel, so I'll be putting them in there. Ta-da! Right, and then I'm going to do the old tappy from the other side. He says with so much confidence. There it goes. And then off comes the side cover there. Again, so much confidence. Doesn't really want a lot to do with it today, does it? Take this part of here. There it goes. That was not easy. Washer, washer, washer that is stuck. Of course it is. Why wouldn't it be? You can just free that off. Probably what was stopping our side cover coming off a bit. Or not. There's that. Go. Freedom! There we go. And then, it's just like the inside of all the other Bafang motors. There you go, Bafang. It says right there. You can't see it, but it does. Cable out, silicon out, place the cable, solder the bugger, off to the races. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.